Shoppa's Material Handling is a one-stop provider of material handling solutions, ranging from new and used forklifts all the way through automated systems, including ASRS, robotics, conveyors, and sortation. The biggest pain points when I got here, as we tried to implement more complex solutions for our customers, was visibility, tracking, and understanding where we were in the process with manual processes.
We had all of our job folders were literally in folders on someone's desk. So it was all very manual, and we knew we needed to make a change.
As we put more and more effort to grow this part of the business, it just really magnified the issues that we were able to tolerate prior when we were doing a lesser volume.
We were fortunate enough to find Optimum and get an understanding of what they could provide for us.
Optimum's main focus is really to help people work more efficiently. So whether that's improving business processes or using software to solve some of the problems that we see, we're really focused on just getting that efficiency and helping people to work in a more effective way.
Optimum really needed to understand what we did at its core and how we handled our day-to-day business.
And we just spent probably 2 days in a room, filled whiteboards with what our current process flow looked like, which again revealed to us just how complex it was.
We're always open to new ideas. It's just sometimes it's much easier to fall back to what you've always done. So we wanted to make sure we had a partner we could trust to provide us some alternatives or new informations.
It was very clear that they were doing a ton of work and they were doing a lot of great things, but we also saw a lot of areas where they weren't communicating as clearly as they could or as easily as they could. As we continued working with them and seeing how they work, we were able to find those more nuanced areas that you wouldn't be able to necessarily see without that deep dive. And that's when we started building our solution for them, which basically took a very manual, paper-based process and digitized it. Automated communication, it helped to improve how their process stepped through. Rather than handing a folder over to someone, they can automatically be notified of the next step that was needed.
To us, they're kind of like rocket scientists. We can tell them in our language what needs to be done, and they know how to reciprocate that and kind of dumb it down for us.
With Optimum and Smartsheet, we really took advantage of the project management features as well as the control center, and it was trying to make sure we integrated our existing systems with the process, so we were reducing the amount of duplicate entry, duality of work.
Smartsheet brought a huge element of automation where you can set trigger points. When this field gets populated, notify this person and request an update back from them. And if they don't send the update, remind them every 12 hours.
It's one place to look for all team members, including sales, operations, management, executive team, everybody.
Our team internally is better informed, which allows for better customer experience, better communication with the customer.
And they also understand us so well now, it feels like Optimum is part of the Shoppa's team.
I can't even imagine our ability to scale without Optimum.
We are approximately 4 times the revenue that we were 4 years ago, and we are about 4.5 times the personnel as well. So I believe the Smartsheet solution has allowed us to grow our business at the pace the market demands. If I had to give it a scale of 1 to 10, I would rank our partnership with Optimum at a 10, and I don't know that our business could continue to grow at this pace without that type of relationship.